Welcome to the in front of me Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sound section. Now we can see here the ringtone volume panel, and just to mute your device ringtone you should hold and swipe to the left side this white dot. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first press up or down volume button on the right side of your phone, then click here to the settings icon and you'll launch the full volume panel settings. And just to mute your device ringtone, hold and swipe to the left side this volume panel and then just tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.